Hey guys, it's back with JohnyTechReview and I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to review the office chair wheels from a company called Stealtho. For transparency, I did reach out to them first because I saw some other videos online and I was interested to see how these will work for my chair. At home I currently use an EagleTune office chair and I also have a Miller Aeron chair. For this review I am using this on my EagleTune chair. The packaging is pretty simple. Inside you have a little bit of information here, a little small user menu along with information about the product. Then you also have the 5 caster wheel itself. First glance of these wheels, they look like they're very well built, look like really nice skate wheel and has a little bit of gel. The information here say they also glow in the dark, we'll have to test that. And then these wheels also have a locking mechanism to keep it in place. So let's take a look. Yeah. So first of all, the wheels are really good. I'm using them on this carpet floor and I'm using it on this mat. This is an Amazon polycarbonate mat, and as you can see over time it does damage because of the sinking of the wheel like this. A lot of time they will tell you that you don't need a mat if you are using this type of wheel. I would say if you're on carpet, you still need a mat. On the hard floor, this is a lot smoother and it's really nice. On the carpet, it does move smoothly, but as you can see with my mat over time damaging from the previous wheel, it does kind of fall into place in the hole. Yes, of course, I could always set this up with a nail mat, but hey, I use what I have. The wheels themselves are really nice. They flow freely. I thought it was going to be hard to take the old one off, but actually on this EagleTune here, it actually come up really easy. And I just snap these on. As I'm moving them around, they're very comfortable, and yes, they're a lot more, I would say, fluid. They do have a lock, which are easy to get to. You can just press it like this and they lock in place. You can do that with your feet and then you can pop it open. Originally, I thought all of the wheel has the lock, but only 2 of the wheels has the lock. So I guess if you're positioning them, you want that to be in the front, you can get to them. And when you lock just one of them, they kind of stay in place, and that's really good in case you're having a situation where you're constantly moving around. I would say if you're in carpet condition, I mean, yes, these may destroy your carpet. You will still need these, even using the skate wheel. So from my perspective, it's a splurge item. If you're interested in getting something like this, then get it. If you're on a hard floor or a hard surface, I think these are worth it, and you might be able to do that without having these, because these will kind of destroy your floor, and this is a bit softer like skate, and it's really good. One of the other functionality they have is it glow in the dark, which in my experience is not really that bright. So I guess it needs some probably light. I have a decent amount of light here, but at night you can't really see it. It's very fainted, I would say. So if you're looking for something that's like super glowy, this is not it. The idea there, I guess, is also, it's kind of a good and bad thing, because if it's too bright, maybe at night you're sleeping, it could be distracting. So from my perspective, it's okay in that regard. It's not a plus or a minus that would change my decision on buying these. Okay, that is about it. If you guys have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment box down below. Hope you guys enjoy this quick review. Give it a like and subscribe for more future content. Thank you.